We are heading to the elephant track right now. See? Elephant track. We are going. Oh yeah, and we also have to see the red pandas. We also have to see the red pandas.
We will. We'll get there.
Okay. Red pandas are coming up. I'll probably take a picture of them and post them if I don't give them in a short. Probably.
In a little bit left. To the right. There you go.
That was me, by the way. That was faulty. Pink city. So pretty. It also so pretty. I'm trying not to get as many people on camera, so I don't have to edit that much. So, yeah, I know I'm lazy. I think we're getting close because it's starting to get stinky. Don't mind the blinding sun back. So pretty. Okay, we have to go to the other side to see the elephants, but this is where we would have saw them. Pause the video and try to read it at least because I know that was blinding. On my way, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. You're so pretty. Now it's stuck in my head. Gosh darn it. The plants around here are actually beautiful. Maybe we can see them here. Never mind, we gotta keep going. That was like a sandy bit. Whoa, did y'all hear that? Probably not, but anyways, I'm on my way. Birdie! Saying these plants are actually beautiful. Alright, let's go. Elephant Center. I'm trying to look at every single angle. Oh, we gotta sit down. We gotta sit down here.
Well, you can see two of them.
Oh, I see him. Right there. There's the beans. Huge.
Wow, there's more of them back there.
Yeah. By the way, it's bigger, like IRL. Like, me looking at it is huge. Here, they look a little bigger here. So yeah, bye.